show you how to make a Lego light machine gun, Lego Browning. So what you're going to need to start off with is this piece that looks like a camera, kind of like a recording thing. So anyways, this, and then you're going to need to get this piece, like a handle, and snap it on just like that. On the big end, you're going to need one of these pieces, like a pole with that end, and stick the other end in like that, so this is the big end is there. And get 2 of these pieces and put them together. I already did. Get two pieces and put them together so they look like this. And get one of these. Put it on for the magazine. And put it on the side. And get one of these pieces. And put it on that side like that. And this piece. And put it right there for the sight. And then 2 of these, well, 1 of this and then this. It doesn't have to have a hole in it. And stick it on like that. And on the bottom, stick it on the spot. Not this spot where you can see the pole, because it won't go in. On that side right there, like that. You don't have to put it. You don't have to put this on. It's just for a stand for it. Like that. And you'll have yourself a Lego light machine gun, or Browning, or whatever you want to call it, and then you can put it on a minifigure. It's best with a stand. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Please, really subscribe. I need subscribers.